Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm going to be featuring this hair I received from Luvme Hair, and this is a paid collaboration. However, I'm going to keep it real, like honest with you. This hair does come with a pack of headbands. The fabric feels very soft. If you love videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe because I upload videos every week. Alrighty, so this hair does come with a pack of different accessories that you could use for your hair. I love the packaging. I love the color. This hair is a headband wig in a size medium. It does come with 4 combs inside, and the curls are so pretty and the hair feels soft. The hair does come with the usual wig scent. It's not bad. You could actually wear this straight out of the box, but I always love to wash my units because I love the scent from the shampoo and conditioner and stuff. And I'm going to be using my Alcee shampoo and conditioner. When I receive my units, I only wash it with shampoo the first time, and after that I go in with my conditioner during subsequent washes. So here I'm going to be using my Alcee conditioner. I love this conditioner, you guys. It makes my hair feel soft. I actually use this on my natural hair and I didn't get any much hair from this unit. For this unit, I'm going to be using this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Curl Styler. I love this stuff. I use it in my curly units and I love how it left those units. Here I'm making my how would I call this, a conditioner mix. I love the way it like leaves my units when I use it, since it's mixed with a conditioner, which is the Alcee conditioner. So I'm gonna spray that first on the unit, then I'll go in with the Palmer's curling styler. So I'm using the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. I actually knew about this brush after watching Naturally Mary's video. I honestly love and recommend this brush. Look at the curls, you guys. The curls are so pretty. I love it so much. So I'm going to go ahead and detangle the rest of the units and let it dry overnight. And the next day, I'm going to come and install the unit just to show you guys what it looks like. Hey guys, so this is the next day. I'm gonna be laying my baby hair. My hairline is so difficult to work with, but I always try to make it work. I'm gonna be using the Got to Be gel, the black one. I really like that one, and as you can see, it's a struggle. Your girl is struggling. So I'll go ahead and install the unit. It's really easy. I love headband wigs because they're so easy to put on and go. You don't have to blend or do anything. Just put it on and go, or you might have to detangle the hair a night before so you at least look good in the morning. Okay, and here I'm going to be using the Fruities. I believe this is the Fruities oil, I think. I just love the shine it gives to my unit. Not kidding, this unit is really, really nice. Like, this is the real deal. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. It just makes me feel pretty. It's 100% human hair. I love it so much. Please let me know in the comments down below which color of the headband you like the most. Please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. I upload videos every week. Please subscribe, you guys. Subscribe, subscribe. Guys, so this is what this hair is looking like. As much as this is a paid collaboration, I would always be honest with you, the hair feels soft, and even when I washed it for the first time, I didn't really get so much hair, which is what you get when you wash curly hair for the first time. So far, I love how the hair looks. I love the way it feels. It's so soft, and you guys, the first time I washed it, it wasn't this full. After wearing lots of the hairband and my hand keeps going to the hair, it's definitely getting so full. I don't want it to get like thicker than this, but so far I love how it looks. Let me turn back so you guys can see what the hair looks like. I love how this hair looks on me. If you're looking out for a very good affordable hair, I definitely recommend the Luvme hair. They're so good and it feels soft and it's human hair. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to stay safe. Don't forget to stay safe, stay beautiful, subscribe here with the bell to all videos every week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.